Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Avengers TV. It's the international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm John Bafana, my brother, come up and Pumangu. Yeah.
Jole iphatha sensizona sentombini. Phatha seliqhamuka phansi kwabhaca.
Yeah.
Yebo line esilmandela Bay.
Yeah.
Wena Sipho, ngibuka kahle imatch.
Yeah.
Yonke into engibone lapha ngibona ama players ePirates nje imhlolo lapha yana.
Yeah.
Ngiyakutshela. Lalela Sipho. Yazini? Uyibonile la sweet assist esuka uMbulu.
Indoda.
Iyakuphi? Yalenda amapolice. Washaya ngo left.
Next.
Zakhala. Wabuya umbatha, wathi mbatha.
Yeah.
Uyibinike bani? Nkotha. Ivula vala. Nacha. Zakhala. Ukuba ubani? Nkotha sokuphi? Kubhakaniya. Wayithatha inkono ayibeka kubani? Sithole. Awufani umcimbi. Sipho. Wena Sipho. Umdlalo umnandi. Umnandi Sipho. Angidlanga amanzi wodwa phela.
Yes. Bawalanda amaplayer weKaizer.
Lalela Sipho. Umbuzo wakho ngikhumbula umlandeli omkhulu weBhakaniya. It's for the 5 skippers, you know, is not make sure, you know what? Don't make sure. No, akufuni. Uvilakazi ngiyamcela ukuthi abe ball boy. Ball boy wesa. Yebo Sipho. Ngiyabonga ethuba mfowethu, ngiyabonga ukuthi nje umdlalo bemuhle nje. Isquad iswinile. Sibheke AFCON. Angifuni elinye iplayer le Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns nePirates namanye ama-players. Phela nje. Lapho siyayiwina ilukhujana AFCON.
Uvilakazi kube i-ball boy.
Yebo. Ball boy.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?